In a significant development, Minister of Food and Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs, Kaming Wanambon, has allocated 3 crore for the construction of a new government senior basic school in Minso. This announcement was made during the closing ceremony of the school's 75th anniversary celebrations yesterday. The minister stressed the significance of elevating the RMSA school to a higher secondary school, a project that was approved 3 to 4 years ago. The ceremony was attended by Joint Director of School Education and Literacy, APCM, teachers, parents, students and others. The minister, along with APCM, honoured former and current teachers, released a souvenir book and unveiled the 75th anniversary monument.
I think maybe at the end of this financial year, we will sanction the union school, Hapo Lake Road. We're trying a new building. The department that they've approved, the ADB that they've approved the union school, Satango Edon sanction.
The Committee on Empowerment of Women, chaired by